the lift at 262 Adelaide Street. IMEM, lovely.
Doors closing. Going up.
Eighth floor IMEM. God, it's slow.
Level 6. Doors closing.
Trying to get. Cab. What's the capacity? 1275 kilograms, 17 persons. No quality. Not the best, really, but not as bad as Notice Gen Free.
Ground floor.
Go up to level 3, I guess.
Doors closing.
Block the speakers.
Going up.
Can't really get the motor.
Level 3. The doors closing. Lift going down.
Orbitz maintains it still, apparently. They probably don't have Kone plates yet. Or JD Elevator, whatever it's called now.